how to put the shell back onto a JBL Xtreme. If you have an Xtreme 2, you have to look at a different one, a different video. You see those 6 pins there? They have to match up with those 6 studs. Well, that's pretty easy. It's much easier than on the Xtreme 2. Down here are the latches where it's screwed on. There's one, and there's the other. And they go on there like this. Just align it, push it in there, clicks in. There, it's all good. Now flip it over. Push a little. There and there. And it's back together. Now, you don't forget to put those screws in there. If you take it apart a lot, then you might not want to put the screws in there. If you forget about them, then you have to open it up again. I had some pain in the butt. My little tool here is a little too thick. Let's try this on this side. That worked easy. There, it is easy. Yeah. You can peel this back. It's probably easier to put those on a little earlier. Okay, let's try that again. The Phillips screws go in there. One to the right. Here. Oh, well. So if you don't drop it, it really works. Sorry about that. Okay, so we bend this open a little so that you have access to the hole in there to put that Phillips screw back in there. And we are going to screw that in, not too tight because it's all plastic. And one over here on this side. Where's the hole? Here. And almost done there. Clip that together and there we go. Perfect.